So we're going to start to play around with these shapes just to begin with, so we get used to using some of the tools that are on here. And you can see that I've gone and got a sort of a selection over here at the moment, and this selection is going to allow me to do things with the shape that's on the page. And I've done that with this select tool over here, which is the arrow tool at the top. You see, as I turn it on, it selects the object that's in the shape, or on this layer at least, because we can use different layers on top of one another, and we're going to do that right now. So over here, I can go and resize things, and there's guides and markers. You can see that as I start to move this around, there is a line here to show that it is using an equal ratio all the way across this shape here. So I've got the same width and height on here. You can see that I can move this around as well with the circular tool over here. And then what I'm able to do is go and rotate things, but this rotation tool down here works better when there's squares. Okay, so I've got this and I've got this, and you can see that it's keeping the aspect ratio, so the width and the thickness is keeping in tune. That's because I've got it on uniform at the bottom. Now I can freeform if I wish, like this, and I can freeform with this, and it isn't as uniform as it was before. But here I can go and distort, so I can go and distort this, and you can see that I can go and turn things around, and then I can go and warp this as well, which is going to be really handy when we come to go and create things like liquefied objects and stuff like that, which is in the previous video. So we can have a little play around with that. So I'm going to go and let you have an explore with that, and I will see you in the next clip.